text wrap today. So here's my example on the left, and then you need the example on the right to match it. Okay, so first things first, you need to make sure that the text is in front. So I'm clicking on it, I'm right clicking so I can arrange it and make sure to bring it to the front. Oh, I'm sorry, that's backwards. I want the object in the front. Arrange, bring to front. So your object needs to be on top of your text. And you're going to go up to your main menu, object, and you are going to go to text wrap. Text wrap options, because I'm asking set the spacing to 15 points. 15, okay. And then I'm going to go back to up to object, text wrap, and I'm going to do make, okay. And as you can see, it has wrapped, and if you can move it too to wrap it around, okay. It's wrapping the text around. Okay, so I'm missing and floral, so I'm going to bring this back a little bit over. See if I can get that back in. And floral arrangement. See? Okay. Maybe not there. Maybe just a little bit down so it's still in the box. Okay. All right. So for the next one, again, you're going to have to, I'm sending this to the back because I want the butterfly. So for the second one, I don't want the text in between the butterfly. You're going to have to move it enough so that this is open. Okay, so I've moved the butterfly to the front, object, text wrap, and again make, because I think I say the spacing needs to be set at 5. Oops. I'm going to undo that. Object, text wrap, I'm sorry. And we got a text wrap options. We have to make it 5, okay? And then object, text wrap, make. Okay, so you're gonna have to, it should say and graceful. I'm gonna move it down. See if I can get and graceful. Move it up maybe a tad. Okay, there. I just don't want anything in that bottom part. I think it's harder. You can make it exactly the same. You're just going to have to keep moving it around until it's and graceful. Let's see. And then graceful flight. Not exactly, but I don't want cycle in there. But I want graceful in there. Okay, close enough. All right, so this one, you are going to make an S. So text box, I'm doing a tall S. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to change, I don't know, the font size. I don't know yet. Maybe it needs to be bigger. I don't know, maybe Arial Black. You know, that seems about right. I'm going to move this down to here. Okay, and you're doing the same thing. So, I don't know, maybe this needs to be a little bit bigger. Let's see. Object, text wrap, make. Okay. So I can see this needs to come up a little bit, maybe. This needs to go down a bit. Okay. Similar. All right, so for these two, here's what it needs to look like. Here's what it looks like now. All right, so the first thing you need to do is these are all grouped. So you can go into your properties panel and ungroup them, and then you're gonna have to start finding them and moving them around. Remember, objects need to be on top, text needs to be underneath. So this object is on top, you know, you're gonna have to hit shift until you get all the objects. Excuse me. Okay, and then keep working it because it's new needs to be underneath. This is okay. The word new needs to be underneath and all this needs to be wrapped around. But I'm going to let you do that on your own, okay? Thanks for watching.